Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can download and install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system and how we can set it up so that we can access Python from any folder in the file system. Now with the latest version of Windows 11 operating system, Microsoft has added some shortcuts so that people can install Python from the Microsoft Store. But in this video, we will not install Python from the Microsoft Store. Instead of that, we will download the set of files from the official Python website. Then we will install it and set it up manually. So here, the first thing that we do is we will click on the start button and we will search for CMD and we will open up the command prompt. And here, generally, if we type in Python space -v, then it will display the version of Python installed in the computer. But right now, if I hit the enter button, it says Python was not found. Run without arguments to install Python from the Microsoft Store, or disable this shortcut from settings, manage app execution aliases. So here we are seeing this message because of the shortcut that the Microsoft has put in. Now, if I type in Python here and if I hit the enter button, then it will open up the Microsoft Store and it will allow us to install Python. So as you guys can see here, the reason why I'm not installing Python from the Microsoft Store is sometimes we get slightly older version from Microsoft Store. So if we install it manually, then we will get the latest version. So here I'm going to close this Microsoft Store. So now the first thing that we have to do is we have to go to settings, manage app execution aliases, and we have to disable this particular shortcut because of which we are seeing this message. So here I'm going to click on the start button. It will open up the start menu and I will search for manage app execution aliases. And we can see this system settings, manage app execution aliases. We will click on that. It will open up the settings app and app execution aliases window. And here in the bottom, we can see app installer python.exe. It is turned on. We will turn it off. And for app installer python3.exe, this is also on. We will turn it off. And that's it. Now we can close this settings window. Now we will come back to the command prompt. And this time, if we type in Python here, and if we hit the enter button, it says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command or an operable program. Now this message just says that the system doesn't know anything about a program called as Python. So now what we have done is we have disabled this shortcut. Now what we can do is we can download Python from the official website and we can install it. So we will open up any browser that is installed in our computer. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up. And here in the URL bar, we will enter python.org, which is the official website of Python. And we will hit the enter button. It will straight away open up the website. So here, if I go to downloads, then we can see the download for Windows option and the latest version of Python is listed here. If you remember, when Microsoft opened up the Microsoft Store for installing Python, at that time, we saw that the latest version available was 3.11. But in this case, here we have 3.12 at this particular moment. So we will get the latest version if we choose this particular method. Now we will click on this particular button and the download will begin. We will just wait for the download to finish. Okay, now the download is complete. If I take the cursor on this downloaded file, then I can see open file option. If I click on that, it will open up the Python installer that we have downloaded, or we can go to the folder where the downloaded files are saved by clicking on this show in folder. Now here you guys can see the downloads folder has been opened and we can see the file that we have downloaded. Now in order to run this file, we will just double click on it and the file will be opened and it will display some options. Now here, before clicking on this install now button, we have to do a couple of things. One is use admin privileges when installing py.exe. We will check this checkbox, and after that we will check this checkbox which says add python.exe to path. This is really important because if we check this checkbox, then we will be able to access Python from any folder in the file system without specifying the exact path where Python is installed. So if you open up any folder using the command prompt or terminal, and if you type in Python, you will be able to use Python. So we will check these two options and we will click on this install now. You have to provide the permission. Click on yes and provide the permission. It will install Python. We will wait for the installation process to finish. Okay, now the setup was successful. We will click on this close and that's it. Now we have installed Python. I'm going to close the folder and the browser that I have opened. Now what we do is we will click on the start button and we will search for cmd and we will open up the command prompt, and now we will type in python space minus capital V, and if I hit the enter button we can see the Python version that we have installed in our computer. So now if I type in Python and if I hit the enter button, then I will be able to access the Python shell and I can execute the Python statements in here. So the program will work. Now I'm going to close this. Now if you click on the start button and if you search for Python, then you can find the Python app, and also you can find the Python IDLE. So depending on your choice, you can use any of them for writing and executing some Python code. So this is it guys for this video. This is how we can download and install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. If you guys face any issue while installing Python, then let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.